Personal project is an entire process where students persist with a particular idea for an entire month, and it helps them build a lot of skills and attitudes which help in today's life. So what we call the 21st century skills. So first of all, the students need to identify an area which they are interested in or passionate about, and then they identify who can be their mentor or expert who will help them go through with this journey.
I was interested in photography and I also like food, so basically mine was food photography. I'm interested in acting and making stories.
So by the time all of this is done, and students at this point need to get down to the effort. It's now the ownership is entirely upon them. So they have a lot of back and forth with the mentors and experts and move towards their goal, the final product that they wanted to come up with. In the end, a lot about scrutiny, where a lot of other teachers or other experts come in, and there is a lot of feedback given to the students so that a quality output is ensured. That is what gives them a sense of self-worth, that I have put out something which is of quality and it is entirely my effort. Kavya, her competition was with her own self, and that is something very unique. So she took up something called stop motion animation, and here, though she knew nothing about it, she made sure that she learned each and everything that goes behind it. So she had to learn 4 different softwares and whatnot, but she persisted. Her urge to make her own self better is what helped her come up with this quality and superb output which she has, and that video is for everyone to see.
What I learned about myself is I can doodle, I can do everything. Personal project has helped me discover myself, and my journey has been really amazing.
Another person who I can think of is Arya. He had a lot of ideas. He was very creative, quite audacious with his ideas. He realizes that there are technical glitches. The machines can't print his screen printing was his idea. So he had to break it down to pieces and blocks and then stitch it all together. It took a lot from his side to come up with that entire backdrop of Riverside, which he celebrated and is now a legacy for Riverside itself.
I told you the size limitations, so I cut my whole backdrop into 2, and then they printed it twice, and then I stitched it together.
Kabir is one such instance. He was someone who would take things very casually. So his personal project was all about his storytelling, about how he can spill on this talent to others, and through this personal project we actually saw him get that in place. With a lot of back and forth with his mentor and expert, we saw him getting a little more serious about his own work, about realizing that he has it within himself to do better.
You have to tell the dialogues in a way that the character would tell the dialogues. You can be the character and make the dialogues on the spot. Guys, can you tell me what should we do? Go for a walk, you say? Great idea!
The culmination of this project is held at quite a grand level. The parents are invited and they get to see all that the students have gone through in this entire month. And the students are left with a sense of self-worth that, I have been able to do this and nothing is beyond reach. They get that I can spirit in them.
What did you love? You love the sketching part of it, or you love the photography part of it?
Actually, I love both. I can't compare those both because I love both.
Moksha is single-handedly going to change Design for Change's toolkit that will go to 30,000 schools in India.
Dhruv, Cage forever. Very deep, very dark.
This is a beautiful picture book created by this child for K2. K2, taking all the pictures, coming up with a little storybook. Special edition going only for 1,000 rupees per book. Yeah. Book your copies now.
It's not about learning A or learning B, but the key skill was learning that how do I learn.